So here are some of the papers that I just got through drying in my dehydrator, which I feel is more safe than doing it in an oven. And just want to show you some of the patterns. I use my garden. I had cilantro out there. So I took some of it and it turned out pretty cute. That, and I have this impression from the cilantro, and I have these little things that I put on there, which didn't do a very good indent, but I have these that turned out. There again is another leaf one that I did with my cilantro. So if you have a garden, it's a great way to get some imprints. Just use whatever herbs you got or flowers you got. They turned out really cute. And let's see. That's just cilantro. And then I did a doily of that pattern. Now this is letter paper. It's not, wait a minute. Legal paper, I believe. It's longer than the regular 8.5 by 10 or 8.5 by 11. This is just a little bit longer than that, but looks like it did pretty good. There's another cilantro leaf. Let's see what we have over here. Some tickets. I don't think this is all the way dry. I'm going to have to put it back in. So just put it in your, if you have a dehydrator. To me, it's the safer, better way of doing it than in the oven. So I just put it in and put it on the low setting. And if you put it on a high setting, it only takes, I guess I can put it on a high setting because it only takes, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes if it's on a high setting. But so far, I've got quite a bit. I use different doilies in different designs. So I made a whole stack under here that I just was trying to flatten a little bit with some books because I'm not going to iron paper. There's some of my designs there. And this was just coffee tea dyeing. There's another one. So yeah, just give it a try. If you don't want to use the oven and you have a dehydrator, it works just as good. As you can hear, the paper is crinkling, and it turned out pretty good. Okay, well, there's a tip for you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.